Good morning students, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 8 maths and our chapter is cube and cube root. Students, you all are know our chapter cube and cube root are completed yesterday. Okay, or we can say Saturday. Okay, now it's time to revision. Okay, so when we start this chapter, I will told you about Hardy-Ramanujan number. Okay, what is this number and what is the main history of this number? The number 1729 is known as Hardy-Ramanujan number. Once the British mathematician G.H. Hardy visited to the hospital to see the Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Okay, what is the story of this Hardy-Ramanujan number? So, वो हॉस्पिटल किसे देखने गए थे? इंडियन मैथमेटिशियन श्रीनिवासन रामानुजन को. इन हार्डीज वर्ड, I remember once going to see him when he was ill at Putney, London. I had ridden in taxi cab number 1729 and remarked that the number seemed to me rather a dull one, and that I hope it was not an unfavorable omen. No, he replies. It is very interesting number. It is the smallest number expressible as the sum of two cubes in different way. Okay, when we express any number in sum of two cubes, then we can say it's a Hardy-Ramanujan number. Okay, say 1729 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1728 plus 1. That is the cube of 12 cube. 12 cube is 1728 and 1 cube is 1. Okay, so it can say Hardy-Ramanujan number. Okay, understand? The quotient is sometime expressed using the term positive cube. If negative integer are allowed to use, the smallest number is 91. 91, then we can write 6 cube plus minus 5 cube. Okay, when we talk about 91 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 6 cube that is 36 and 5 cube, but it's minus 5 cube. Okay, so minus 5 cube is become minus 125. Okay, understand? And 6 cube is 216. Okay, 216 minus 125, that is it become 91. Okay, understand? Or you can write 91 as 4 cube plus 3 cube. 4 cube plus 3 cube also. What is 4 cube? 4 cube is 64 and 3 cube is 27. Okay, so you can your answer is 91 also. Okay, so 91 को आपने क्या किया? दो अलग अलग नंबर्स के इस क्यूब के रूप में लिखा है. ओके, कौन कौन से नंबर्स हो गए? वो 6 क्यूब plus minus 5 cube, and you can write it down 4 cube plus 3 cube. Okay, so 91 is a divisor of 1729. Okay, understand? Now the number was found in Ramanujan notebooks almost 300 years before the incident. It was noted by Francil de Besse in 1657. The smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of cube of two number in n distinct way are sometimes called taxi cab number. Some taxi cab numbers are as follow. जैसे हम बोल सकते हैं, suppose one more number 87539 ओके, सो आप इसे कैसे लिख सकते हो? 167 क्यूब plus 436 cube. Okay, understand? Or you can write 228 cube plus 423 cube. Okay, understand? Or you can write it 255 cube plus 414 cube, okay, etc. So for 6 taxi cab number are known, okay. There are infinitely many number, not smallest, which can be expressed as a sum of 2 cube in 2 different way. Example 4104, 138, 24 and etc. Okay, so it's called the Hardy-Ramanujan number. What is Hardy-Ramanujan number? When any number is written in the form of sum of 2 cubes number, then and different ways, then we can say that it's a Hardy-Ramanujan number. Okay, understand? And this chapter we learn about cube. What is cube? So student, cube of in our previous chapter we learn about square and square root. Now we are going to learn about cube and cube root. We have seen the square of all numbers are positive. However, cube of positive or negative numbers and cube of negative number are negative. अगर पॉजिटिव नंबर का क्यूब कर रहे हो तो पॉजिटिव निकलेगा, नेगेटिव नंबर का कर रहे हो तो नेगेटिव आएगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. ऑल्सो वी कैन फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ नेगेटिव नंबर. Remember, square root of negative number is not a real number, but cube root of negative number is a real. Why? Because when we talk about real number, when we find square root of any number, then it's not always a real number. Okay, the cube of number is that number rise to the power 3. When we cube any number, so we can write it 1 to the power 3, that is 1, 2 to the power 3, that is 8, 3 to the power 3, that is 27. Okay, so we can rise the power 3, that is called cube of any number. And what do you mean by cube of any number? If we write cube of any number, if we write 2 cube, what is the meaning of this? This meaning is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, understand? So this is the general information about it. Now, what is perfect cube? A natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it can be written as cube of some natural number. Okay, understand? See, suppose we can talk about 125. So 125 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so 125 is a cube of 5. Okay, understand? So 125 is said to be perfect cube number. Okay, understand? So, and this chapter we learn some property of cube numbers. We learn some pattern also in this cube. In this chapter, for number with unit digit 1, their cube will also have the unit digit 1. Okay, and similarly the cube of the number with 4, 5, 6 and 9 or 0 as unit digit will have the same unit digit as the number. Okay, understand? The cube of a number with unit digit 2 will have unit digit 8, and the cube of a number with unit digit 8 will have the unit digit 2. Okay, understand? The cube of a number with unit digit 3 will have unit digit 7, and the cube of a number with unit digit 7 will have the unit digit 1. Unit digit 3. Okay, understand? Now, the cube of an even number is even, and the cube of an odd number is odd. Understand? Now, 1 and 8 are only cube in one digit number. It's very interesting. There are only 2 one-digit number as a perfect cube. Okay, 1 and 8. 27 and 64 are the only cube with 2-digit number. Okay, understand? So 27 and 64 के अलावा कोई भी 2-digit number क्यूब नहीं है, परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर नहीं है. Now only 4 3-digit number, 5 3-digit number are perfect cube. That is 125, 216, 343, 512 and 729. Okay, understand? Then we get always 4-digit or 5-digit number. Okay, all the above are the respective cube of digit from 1 to 9. 1 का cube क्या है? 1. 2 का cube 8. Okay, these are 1-digit numbers. Now 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, that is 2-digit number. Now what is cube of 5? 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, and 9 cube is 729. Okay, these 5 number is 3-digit number, are perfect cube number. Okay, if we want talk about 10 cube, what about 10 cube? 10 cube is smallest 4-digit number. Okay, understand? So remember these things. And the smallest 2-digit number is 10, and its cube is 1000, which is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, the cube of 10 to 31 have 4 digits and they are under 10,000. Okay, understand? The cube of 32 to 46 have 5 digits and they are between 10,000 to 1 lakh. The cube of 47 to 99 have 6 digits and they are between 1 lakh to 10 lakh. The cube of 3-digit number can have 7, 8 or 9 digits. Okay, understand? And pattern in cubes, I will told you what is sum of consecutive odd number. If we write 1 cube, so 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 cube. And what about 2 cube? 2 cube हमें पता है क्या होता है, 8 होता है. अगर मैं 3 कॉन्जिकेटिव नंबर्स को, 2 कॉन्जिकेटिव नंबर्स को ऐड करूँगी, सो वी गेट 8, दैट इज़ 2 क्यूब. इफ़ वी ऐड 3 कॉन्जिकेटिव नंबर, ऑड नंबर, we get 27, that is cube of 3. Okay, and how to find the which number you can start. अब आपको अगर 10th क्यूब निकालना है तो आप कौन से नंबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे? सो फॉर्मूला इज n इंटू n माइनस 1 प्लस 1. Okay, this is the formula to find consecutive odd number should start from n into n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, understand? So remember these things, these small things you have to remember, because this is very important part of this chapter. Now we know the cube of even number is even, the cube of odd number is always odd. Okay, understand? Now if in the prime factorization of any number each factor appear 3 times, then the number is perfect cube. अगर वो नंबर 3 टाइम आ रहा है तभी वो नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब होगा, अदरवाइज वो परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर नहीं होगा. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ व्हाट अबाउट क्यूब रूट? इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट क्यूब रूट ऑफ एनी नंबर, टू फाइंड द क्यूब रूट इट इज द इनवर्स ऑपरेशन ऑफ फाइंडिंग क्यूब. वी नो 27 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं बच्चों? 3 क्यूब. एंड व्हाट इज क्यूब रूट ऑफ 27? So we have say the cube root of 27 is 3. Okay, understand? So we can write it. So what is the prime factorization method to finding a cube root? A number is perfect cube if after prime factorization we see that the number can be expressed as triplet of the same factors. Okay, so then and then we can say that the number is cube number, perfect cube number. Okay, understand? Now the cube root of a number is that number which when cubed give the number given number. For example, cube root of 8 is 2 and which when cubed give the original number. Means 8 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? When we cube 2 का क्यूब होता है 8 and cube root of 8 gives us 2. Okay, understand? And cube root finding cube root by prime factorization. What is the method? If we get a triplet, then we can tell it is a perfect cube number. Okay, properties of cube root. Unit digit of cube root means when note that By observing the unit place of the cube, we can find the unit place of its cube root. See the table. अगर हम क्यूब रूट फाइंड करना चाहते हैं तो हमें पता है 14014 और 5 6 and 9 ये ऐसे नंबर हैं जिनका अगर हम क्यूब रूट करेंगे, अगर वंस के प्लेस पर ये हैं तो हमारा क्यूब रूट में सेम डिजिट आएगी. अगर 0 है तो 0 आएगा, 1 है तो 1 आएगा, 4 है तो 4 आएगा, 5 है तो 5, 6 है तो 6, 9 है तो 9. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. एंड व्हेन वी क्यूब द डिफरेंट नंबर मीन्स 2 का क्यूब क्या होता है 8 एंड 8 का क्या होता है 2. ओके, 3 का होता है 7 एंड 7 का होता है 3. ओके, so remember this thing. These are very important things, so you can easily find the estimate method of by estimating any cube root number. Okay, understand. So student, in this chapter we learn what is cube number, how to find cube root, and how to find any cube number, cube root number, and so on. Okay, so complete this chapter in your notebook, and if you have any doubt, tell me on WhatsApp. Have a good day.